Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In today's video we are going to be doing another update to Baltimore Thurgood International Airport. We have a few aircraft in this update that haven't been featured for a while, so without further ado, we're just going to go ahead and start here with this DHL 757-200. He's going to be heading out to Cincinnati. Lining up behind him here we have this Southwest Airlines Boeing 737-800. He's going to be heading out to Raleigh-Durham today. Behind him here we have this Frontier A320. He's going to be heading out to Miami. And behind him, also lining up the runway, here we have this Southwest Airlines Boeing 737-700 in the Florida 1 color scheme. He's going to be heading out to Jacksonville. Next here, moving on to the cargo area, here we have a FedEx Boeing 757-200. This aircraft is going to be heading out to Columbus Rickenbacker today. After that, here we have this FedEx Boeing 767-300. He's going to be heading out to Indianapolis. And then next here, just taxiing out for a departure, here we have a United States Coast Guard C-130. He's going to be heading out to Savannah. I don't believe we've had this aircraft in an update yet, so this is the inaugural feature of this C-130, but yeah, he's going to be heading out to Savannah. Next up here, moving on to the Spirit section. Now, I believe this is the first time all three gates have been filled up with a Spirit aircraft. But here we have a Spirit Airbus A321. He's going to be heading out to San Juan today. In the middle here we have a Spirit A320neo. He's going to be heading out to Tampa. And then finally here for Spirits, we have another Spirit Airbus A321. This is the NG version. He's going to be heading out to Cancun in Mexico. Next up here, moving on to Delta. Here we have a Delta Boeing 737-900. He is of course going to be heading out to Atlanta, Hartsfield, Jackson. The Atlanta route is currently switching between the 737-900 and the 737-800. I still don't have those NG Delta 737-800s. I don't know what happened to them. I ordered two of them, but neither of them just showed up, so I don't know whether it's a lost cause at this point, and I'm never going to get them, or they're just going to arrive late like some of my NG models have. So I'm not really sure at this point. I do really need to get my hands on some 737-800s, but I don't know where they've gone. So there we go. This is a 737-900. He's going to be heading out to Atlanta, Hartsfield, Jackson. Next along here for Delta, here we have a Delta Connection Embraer 175. He's going to be heading out to New York JFK today. And then following on from him, here we have the United A320. He's going to be heading out to Denver in Colorado. After that, here we have this American Airlines Boeing 737-800. He's going to be heading out to Dallas, Fort Worth. And then finally here for this terminal, here we have an Alaska Boeing 737-800. He's going to be heading out to, of course, Seattle. Next here, moving on to the Southwest and International Terminal, here we have an Icelandair Boeing 737 MAX 8. He's going to be heading out to Reykjavik, Keflavik, or Aviation 2020's airports. After that, here we have a Southwest Airlines Boeing 737-700. He's going to be heading out to Denver. Following on from him, here we have a Southwest Airlines Boeing 737-800. He's going to be heading out to Pittsburgh or Justin Winslow's airports. After that, here we have another Southwest Airlines Boeing 737-700. He's going to be heading out to Providence. After that, we have another Southwest 737-700. He's going to be heading out to Manchester. Now, of course, that's the United States Manchester, not the UK's Manchester. I know there's going to be a couple people that are confused about that, but yeah, he's going to be heading out to Manchester. And after that, here we have the return of a very special plane. Here we have the Southwest Airlines Boeing 737 MAX 8. Now, of course, these have resumed service. I did check on Flight Radar 24 and I saw this 737 MAX 8 arriving into Baltimore from Fort Myers, so he's going to be heading out to Fort Myers like the real-life 737 MAX 8. I am hoping that either Gemini Jets or somebody kind of re-releases the Southwest MAX 8, because now, of course, now that they'll start being integrated into more and more routes, I'm going to need more and more of these aircraft. So yeah, this 737 MAX 8, he's going to be heading out to Fort Myers. And then after that, finally, here we have a Southwest 737-700. He's going to be heading out to Chicago O'Hare, which is of course the new route to Baltimore. And apart from that, that does conclude this update of Baltimore Thurgood International Airport. I hope you did enjoy it. Again, it's been a slightly shorter one today, but there wasn't really anything new to add. This Sunday I will have my first ever 1 to 200 collection video coming out, so make sure you stay tuned for that. But apart from that, I hope you have an amazing rest of your weekend. And yeah, apart from that, I will see you in the next video, which will be that video on Sunday. And yeah, I'll see you then. Bye.